How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get a chiseled jawline for men, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. So first exercise that we are going to do is we're going to do the fish face. So we're just basically pulling our cheeks in like this. "20 reps. Perfect. Quick 5-second little break. Okay, next one, we're going to turn our head left to right, just like this. So 1, 2, 3, 6. That's 10. Keep going. 11. It's 14. Keep going. Great job, you guys. Keep going. We're almost there. So that's 20. Perfect, you guys. Really, really good. Quick little break. Next exercise that we are going to do is we are going to do the teeth touch. So we're just going to touch our top and our bottom teeth together like this. So it's 13. Keep going. Just really gently too, you guys. 23 reps. Keep going. 30. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, the next one we're going to do is a big smile, just like this. That's 4. Keep going. That's 20. Keep going. That's 30. Perfect. Okay, last exercise, we're going to open our mouth wide, just like this. Perfect, you guys. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.